Hold on, before we start the video, run these up, man. This shit look.
As I can see, man, the scat is freaking filthy. So it's time to get it right, man. Time to get it right. Heard. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. Give y'all this review because it's long overdue type shit. But hey, man, I be doing shit, but it's life is life, man. I'ma still drop it for y'all, let y'all know how I'll give it up and how I feel and yada yada yada. So I'ma holla at y'all in a little bit. Alright, man. As y'all can see, this is the end result. Give y'all a little wrap around of this thing real quick. Try to get a thumbnail, word. Alright, y'all, so let's see what we got going on, man. But we back in the car, man, and now I'm about to actually put y'all on to, feel me? The first, I'm at 6,500. I can't cap 6,500, but I'm gonna title it 5,000. My first 5,000 miles and what I don't like about my car. So, yeah, let's keep it a stack, man. I really had to search, like I really had to think deeply. And if you watching this, I already feel like you've been watching these already. So everybody pretty much says the same thing. And I can honestly say, man, what I dislike about the car, damn, man, let me think. Tires, when I first got them, the Pirellis were bad. So yeah, if you get this car, get new tires, man. I mean, use the Pirellis. Do what you gotta do with the Pirellis, you feel me? But they were bad, man. Me as a new fucking dumbass, burnouts, yada yada yada, no traction. I actually hydroplaned when I first got my car, man. No funny shit, so I had to get it fixed and all that. But that can happen with any tires. So make sure you have traction if you're driving. Feel me? Especially in the rain. And if you're in the rain driving these shits, be careful, be safe. What else do I not like? Yeah, let me think, man. I'm coming from a 2015 Subaru, so I can't really say I dislike too much, man. Coming from that to this, it's night and day. It is literally night and day. So hold on, let me cap. Let me stop capping. One thing I don't like is the delay in the throttle. So like pedal boxes, a pedal box is recommended. I will say that to y'all. No funny shit. So try and invest in that if you're getting one of these. I'm really trying, y'all. I'm over here really in my head trying to, because a lot of shit people are saying, like, that I've watched even on YouTube, I'm not really, like, the interior of this car, I got mine built out. I got the red seats, red leather door panels, red stitching. Like, I'm good with that. This is my first Mopar car, so I can understand if you've had one of these before and you went and copped another one, or like a newer version, went from a Scat to a Hellcat, and it's really not too much of a difference. So I guess Dodge could have done better on the interior, but hey, man, I'm good with it. I'm fine with it. So that's pretty much my opinion on that. Spending so much damn gas is a dislike. One time for the one time. That's the boys over there. here too, goddamn. Let me get up out of here, man. Chill. I mean, what's so hard to like not like about that, bro? What's so hard to, come on, man. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out what else I don't like about this motherfucker. Gas. I mean, who likes to pay for gas in a regular car anyway? But yeah, gas is expensive, so that is a dislike when I'm always at the fucking pump. This shit be hungry. Me personally, I live in an area where these cars are not around so much. I live in upstate New York, so niggas don't really fuck with Dodges like that, man. Niggas want expensive cars and foreigns and stuff like that, BMWs and Audis and Benzes and all that other extraness. So with that being said, it is pretty hard around my area to find people to do work on my cars. Feel me, other than the dealership, because dealerships be taxing. They be really taxing. But even just to get an alignment was a problem. I called everywhere where I live, and I mean like 4 places around where I live, and they couldn't do it because I have a Widebody, and I guess my car was too big. So that was a hassle. It was gonna be a little problem for me. Dislike wise. I'm still trying to be here, you feel me? Give y'all little visuals, but I can't tell y'all what else I don't like. It's a little quiet. I'm thinking hard. Cab, I got one for y'all. The amount of brake dust that come off my brakes is a pain in my ass. Like, it's a pain in my ass. Cleaning my tires is really a tedious thing. But it don't even matter because as soon as I drive my car again, the brake dust just accumulates ASAP. Oh, so now it's safe to say I do not like the color of my car. Black cars are ruthless. You see too much. You see everything. So that's pretty much that's exactly like the first thing I hate about my car. I should have put that shit first. I will never ever again get a black car. But no cap, y'all. Other than that, that is literally it. I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off. I'ma give y'all a couple pulls and I'll end it. You feel me? I'm driving with one hand. I just did that. Comfortable. Traction off. Sport. So I guess that's what I dislike about this car. Yeah, man. That's what I dislike about this car. I can do that. Right? But yeah, man. I'ma holla at y'all. Let me have some fun.